Hi, it's your girl Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and join the family, and also have your notifications turned on so you don't miss a thing. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm glad you take out time to come and watch my videos, comment, share and like. It means a lot to me. So without wasting your time, let's jump into today. Let's dive into today's video. As the title suggests, I'll be sharing with you guys another DIY face mask, and for this face mask we'll be using Aspirin. Yes, Aspirin for the skin. I know, just chill out. I know, chill out. Take a cheap pill. Aspirin can be used on the skin too, because it contains salicylic acid, which is a great exfoliator, and it is derived from BHA, beta hydroxy acid, which helps with tightening and firming the skin. It also helps with making the skin feel smooth and wrinkles free. When your skin is smooth, it's wrinkles free. Is that correct? Anyway, I'm just joking. Anyway, it helps with making the skin looks good and also helps with redness and inflammation. There are lots of reasons why you need aspirin on your face. So enough of the chemistry talk. Let me show you how I prepare my face mask. Any type of aspirin you could get around is totally fine, but make sure it's uncoated aspirin, because you don't want to use coated aspirin. Or do you? Anyway, I used 6 tablets of aspirin, and if you can get the one that is already crushed, that's fine, but I'm not sure if they have crushed one. Or you can crush yours with your hammer, anything, or dissolve yours like I did dissolve mine with a little bit of water. And I'll be adding my plain Greek yogurt. I added a teaspoon of it, but if you don't have plain Greek yogurt, you can as well use water, just a tiny bit of water mixed together, and you're set.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? We'll put your lips on mine and...
Here is the thing, before you start, always make sure to test patch, and also make sure to apply this face mask on a clean face. So let's get started. You apply it in a circular motion, and please avoid the eye region. I wish I could taste it, but I don't take yogurt, so. So if you have acne and you have things you're working on, twice a week is recommendable. So I'll come back and see you guys. I'll be back in a minute.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I told you I was going to come back in a second, right? This is me after 20 minutes though, and my face feels really good. Trust me, you really need to try this face mask. You might not see a visible results right now because I really don't have much skin problem, but trust me, the feeling is great and you're going to like it. After every face mask, you need to moisturize your skin so that you don't leave your face feeling dry, and it is really not good when your skin feels dry. So to lock in moisture, you need to apply your daily moisturizer. And if you did this during the day, make sure to use an SPF if you know you're going out there. I did mine at night, so I'll just apply my moisturizer and I go to bed after all. Thank you for watching, and I'm confident that you're going to try this face mask, and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you have better options or anything you want me to try out, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be there. I like communicating with you guys through the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe on your way out. Subscription is free. I told you. Oh, I didn't. It's actually free. I'll see you guys on my next video.